First, we gotta warm it up, Rev. Chilly out here. Might as well hop in. You wanna hop in? We're gonna turn it around. Go ahead. Oh boy. Up, we'll sort out the music. Okay, I gotta grab music like a certain sound. Check it out, Kiss Jay. I didn't choose the thug life. You know, young people know what this is. This is called a record. Get the hell on.
You ready, motherfucker? Ready, motherfucker?
That's how you do that.
We gonna kill your ass.
I'm ready.
As I grab the Glock, put it to your head, pick the chamber. The safety is off, release straight at your dog homes. I wanna see cabbage. Biggie Small the Savage, doing your brain cells much damage. Teflon is the material for the imperial. Might rip a girl stripper, the Henny sipper. I drop lyrics off and on like a light switch. With the rap, the right bitch, and make her drop the kill. 45, why wouldn't he got that whip appeal? Kicking niggas down the steps just for rap. Any repercussion lead to niggas getting wet. In a sec, I throw the tech to your fuck. Everybody hit the deck. Biggie about to get some breath. Quick to leave you in the coffin for slip talking. You better act like CC and keep on walking.
If they roll props,
look, I got you.
Gotta shake it all out, just like with the bike.
I told a fofo for niggas getting mad cause they bitch chose me, a big black motherfucker with G. You see, all I do is separate the game from the truth. Big bang boots from the Bronx to Bolivia, getting physical like Olympia New. Tricks up my click pick all day with no trivia. So give me a bankroll in the bag of weed. I'm guaranteed to fuck until the nosebleed. Even if your new man's a certified Mac, you get that itch down in ya. You want that whole thing back? Sex,
I'm similar to the thriller in Manila.
Honeys call me bigger, the kind of filler. Whether it's stiff tongue or stiff dick, Biggie squeeze it to make shit fit. Now check this shit, I got the pack of Rough Riders in the back with the Pathfinder. You know the F along by James Bond. Smith, I get swift with the lyrical.
Voila!
Hit you with the here we go, but I'm not done. I got the phone for you, didn't know. I got that good dick, girl, you didn't know.
Bosch. Because Germany.
Is my mind playing tricks like Scarface and Bushwick? Willie D having nightmares, the girl's killing me. She mad because what we had didn't last. I'm glad because her cousin let me hit the ass. Fuck the past, let's dwell on the 500 SL, the E and J and ginger ale. The way my pockets swell to the rim with Benjamins. Another hunt's in the crib, please send her in. I fuck non-stop, lick my lips a lot. Used to lick the clips a lot. But lick
That is the record.
I'm sorry.
As rugged as a motherfucking carpet and niggas love it. Not in the physical form, but in the mental. I spark and they cells get warm. I'm not a gentle man, I'm a method man.
On the burn pile. Started off with the waste oil, see?
Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from, that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And all the niggas in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good.
Baby.
It was all a
Dream. I used to read Word Up magazine.
Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had rapping do the hard. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight
because of Ron Pike.
Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used
Look at that shit.
for dinner.
Like I fucking done that before, huh? Once or fucking twice, folks. I've probably changed oil in my life in vehicles total. Oh, we're talking 500,000 times. Oh, you want to sit there while I start this bitch up? See a mechanic revving an engine from underneath, he's doing this. That fucker runs great. Watch. Haha, see? The old man's got fucking tricks. Peace.